Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
And welcome to Home on the Hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. So if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
then hang out with us for a little while. Let us answer some questions for you. Today, we are at Cheaha State Park in Alabama, the highest point in Alabama. And currently, we have hiked to Pulpit Rock. If you'll notice behind us, it's a long way down, folks. So stick around, Home on the Hitch. Oh yeah. Dog. We got the good shot now, dog.
You're messing with your life right there.
Got the face and everything.
Please.
That's gonna be in the blooper reel. Yeah. It's an awful lot of teardrops.
right, and there's that other one that's right across from us. Come on, you just went. The one that's across from us that's like a no-bow kind of.
Right. Awful lot of teardrops in the campground. We've seen a whole bunch. Find the Southern Embassy.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Oh, we saw that last night on a video.
That was so
Southern
amazing
Embassy
and
has been
appropriate.
located. That's from Loloho.
Yeah.
So 28, yeah, I like 28.
Yeah, this is great, especially if you had kids too. You know, you could watch
you've
them
got
play.
like the steps up to the fire pit and everything, and then you've got a entire grassy area where the mountain lions and stuff can hide and get the kids.
They didn't say mountain lions, it's bobcats. We got bobcats here.
It's a bobcat. This site 29 I like a lot.
Yeah, I like that one too because
Well,
you have the trail behind you.
So looking at 29, if you come here, that you've got that site, and then that entire area right there. That's the one you want.
Right, and that's real pretty. It's full of hardwoods.
Yeah, and that's an easy in, easy out site. Probably the easiest one in the entire park.
I like how they keep the woods clear. You know,
Yeah.
they kind of keep the
nice.
keep the stuff.
Very nice. So,
You have this inner loop down
yeah,
there.
there's a smaller area, like a couple of areas that jut off down through there. So there's sites mixed in through there.
Well, you know, we like to watch other people's videos of the campground to help us find places that we might be interested in going to. Is it the kind of place that we like to stay?
Absolutely. Well, this,
Is that something that you do also?
yeah,
Do they do that?
I don't know. Well,
So would you leave us a comment and let us know how you research your
your campsites.
campsites?
Because this place is really nice, but it has some really nice sites, but it's also got some sites that are
Very awkward.
and weird and that I wouldn't want to be in. And you wouldn't know that really unless you come, because you can't cover all of those in the video. But the only thing I'll tell you like if you're booking a site here at Cheaha State Park, is they have sites that are on the right side of the road. It's a one-way loop. And sites that are on the left side of the road. Don't book any of the sites that are on the left side of the road, because you're on the road.
Your front yard is the road.
Your front yard is the road. So
yeah, here you can see
here's our site,
space.
Site 7. And I think it was listed for units up to 45 feet long. We're about 37 feet. And it's good and level on the top there where the camper is, but it's got trees in the way, so you just got to pay attention. So, when you're getting in and getting out, but it's a pretty site. But an example of what I was talking about with it being on the left-hand side of the road, this Solitude right up here is in one of those sites on the left-hand side of the road. And I guess they're designated as B, like you have site 6 and then site 6B, site 7, site 7B. The B sites are on the side of the road like this, and then basically the front of your camper is just the road, or like the passenger side of your camper is the road. So
you can see where he thought to put blocks out.
So definitely might be a short hike, but
it's not necessarily an easy hike.
It's marked on the all trails and stuff. It's easy. I wouldn't call it easy if you're not like sure-footed or you don't want.
Well, and you're gonna need a little power to get back up.
Yeah. Home on the Hitch, where we do RV travel and reviews, mountaineering.
We'll do DIY.
Little DIY mountain rescue. Hello, bird. They're coming. They're coming.
Everybody hide. Home on the Hitch is here. Oh, this is beautiful in the spring with all this mountain laurel.
Right. I bet it would be.
But you'd have a lot of bees too, so.
Yeah. Bees. No bees.
No bees. So that really wasn't that bad to hike back here.
No, it's not too bad.
Just once you get over that steep.
Check it out there. Oh.
I don't think I could get down there on that one, but
Wow.
I could probably get pretty close to that one.
Oh, it's okay, babe. You don't have to get close to anything. Wow. So I don't know. This little area might not be for the faint of heart. What do you think, Mel?
I think it's pretty high up.
So this is Pulpit Rock at Cheaha State Park in Alabama, and it is absolutely breathtaking.
So I feel like if you're afraid of heights, trees help.
Right, well, it gives you something to kind of, just breaks up the horizon.
Right.
You know, good thing it's cool. Because you get up to this point and then you look up and you're like, whoa.
And what is it? Today is October 20th. And
Right.
we're just now starting to see a little bit of fall.
Wow. Definitely worth the very short hike to get here. The initial part is steep downhill and you got to be careful there, but other than that, it's not bad at all. It's mostly flat, to be honest with you.
Oh, right. Yeah. Once you get past
That first little steep part's the only part that's kind of I wonder if I could make a rope swing to this.
And hang it off the dead tree?
Well, right here, we could do one of those where, oh yeah, where you take and you run and you swing out.
Into the jagged cliff face.
Over to the jacket rock. Yeah, we'll make a rope swing.
That's a well thought out plan.
Yeah, I think it'll work fine. Oh, how about that pine tree right there?
Yeah,
We'll use that tree.
yeah. That looks like that would
That's
hold
a
us.
sturdy young lad.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that notification bell. As well, join our channel. Down below, you'll see a join button. It's like $1.99 or $1.49 a month. And you're going to get some extra 360 videos that we're going to be doing from places just like here at Pulpit Rock. So don't miss it. Make sure you join up. So the drive, the road, there's shallots and cabins.
Mm-hmm.
Shallots.
Shallots. Chalets.
Shallots.
Chalet.
Shallots. Down there in the woods. You can see them kind of down
These
there.
are the little cabins.
Are those cabins or shallots?
These are the cabins.
Oh, okay.
The chalets are the ones that were up here that have like the big windows in the front.
Oh. Okay.
See?
Big window shallots.
Mm-hmm.
I like my shallots. Big windows. Yeah, there's
Yes.
a swimming pool.
This is the hotel.
Oh, that looks like a swimming pool.
It is a swimming pool.
Oh, okay. That's the hotel.
Well, this is the that's the restaurant
Okay, so-
that has all windows in the front.
Oh, does it?
So that you
That's
can
kind of a cool
overlook
view.
the cliff.
Oh, what time now? Noon to 7:30 p.m.
Friday through Sunday.
Oh, I wonder what they have to eat.
Well, today's
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Open Friday through
Oh.
Sunday.
I can't do math. When we do these real fun things, it's like today, Melissa doesn't let the dog come.
Sorry, I'm trying to make a post on Facebook.
I'm trying to make a post. Face tracking you.
Oh
tracked.
my God, do you see what I live with?
Face tracked.
Always on.
Always on. What's up? Oh, see, got you. Yep, still got you.
Oh, no,
got
somebody
you.
doesn't have their seatbelt on.
Got you. What?
What?
Where's the picnic basket? Yogi. Oh, wow, there's
Oh.
there's
Okay.
the cabin in the woods.
This is the observation
That's the
tower.
observation
See the tower
Is there a
behind the
tower?
tree? Yeah, look.
What? Is there an elevator?
No, there's stairs.
Oh,
We can walk up the
damn.
steps.
All right, here we go. Alabama's
Highest point.
highest point, Cheaha State Park, Cheaha, 2407. All right, let's see what the old sign here says educational-wise. Oh,
All of the buildings here were constructed by the CCC.
CNC Music Factory.
No, the Civilian
you
Conservation Corps.
Oh, okay, sorry.
That was a big thing here in the South, especially. You know, like they built all the bridges and dams and things in Tennessee.
Damn,
And,
okay.
but I guess everybody had their own version because that was the TVA, the Tennessee Valley Authority.
Things that make you go, And upper mantle is divided. Who's this?
This is the first Boy Scout.
Oh, look at him. With his nice little axe.
He is a member of the Civilian Conservation Corps who helped build this illustrious
Well, thank you, sir.
park.
The United States. Don't they build these buildings out like local rock and stuff?
They do. They use their local resources. Oh, this is gorgeous.
But it's kind of groovy in here. Maybe a little scary.
What would be cool is if you imagined this as an actual habitat where somebody lived,
Yeah, no, yeah.
but it's not.
It's not.
No,
But it's not.
but it's not.
But it's cool.
It is cool. This rock makes it very cool in here.
Oh, yeah, it's very nice temperature.
Where did the doors go?
They go up.
No, the doors to the side.
They go out. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's not so bad.
Oh no, only one.
Oh.
Damn it. Oh.
Good. Aiden is fruity. Aiden is an asshole.
Oh, he's a fruity asshole.
Yep, for writing on national park walls. This must, oh, it's a museum.
Yeah. So it's the Civilian Conservation Corps Museum. It is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
Oh, how convenient. All right, guys, so they also have a accessible trail here at Cheaha State Park.
And if you don't want to take the boardwalk, there's a trail that runs parallel.
A parallel trail.
A parallel trail. Thomas says the pets must be on a leash.
There's a
Where's your
parallel.
leash?
Where's my leash? Don't know. So it's really cool. It's not like too awful long. It's like half a mile maybe.
Sorry, squirrel.
Squirrel!
Yeah, it's a really easy, quick
Boy,
little walk.
the camera operator's messing this up. Turn that around so you can see. But yeah, so it's a nice boardwalk all the way down.
And I love that they put these little points along the walkway where you can
Right.
get off and on the trail.
So you can get, if you want to, you can, exit down those stairs or these stairs over here. And there's numerous of those along the way. So you can get off and see certain things. So that's cool. That's a very nice touch.
This is cool. This is a monument in progress.
Yeah,
But
looks like
They put a
that's
flagpole
Mr.
up.
Flat Rock. It's going to be. So we're going to walk. Let's see. So we're going to walk down to the end here, and it's got a nice view, kind of like Pulpit Rock. Not quite as much, but along the same lines. So yeah, that's a
That's a beautiful view.
beautiful view, and they put a lot of work into making this accessible and making this boardwalk number one. I mean, it's very nice. So definite plus to Cheaha State Park is the ability to come out here. If you're accessibility challenged at all, you can still come out here and see this gorgeous view.
Right,
So,
they have something to accommodate everyone.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous.
With the chalets, the cabins, the hotel rooms.
Yep.
So it makes it extremely convenient.
yeah, really nice, really nice. So definite plus, and it's got a really pretty campground, really nice campground as well. So definitely something you should check out.
Cheaha State Park.
Cheaha. Cheaha. Cheaha.